The water is leaking from the shower head, so definitely we have to change the cartridge inside here. Okay, let's turn up the water. I got the new cartridge, so about 80 bucks. It's from Delta faucet cartridge. It's very expensive. It's 80 bucks. Oh, it is what it is. So anyways, we have to take that out. Disassemble all the everything, this part. So I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be pretty simple. Let's see. So basically you just take that out. Oh, that was easy. Okay, over here. And then take out this one. So we're gonna reuse it, so don't lose any screws, don't lose any parts. So leave it here. And this one, so it might be a little sticky, so you might want to put your flat hard drive right here between the gap, the space right here, and turn it a little bit. Not too hard, but just try to do it by little. This side and this side. Yeah. So this might be better to replace the whole thing. Yeah, it's coming out. Okay. And then now, so I think, oh yeah, this one. Okay. Now we gotta take out this cover. So alright. Oh yeah, shit. Leave it here. And then now you have to take out this, I don't know what is that called, but last time I tried to take out, but it was very sticky, so I couldn't take that out. Basically, you just turn to the left and lose it, but you know, it was very sticky, so I have to cut it out. So here's my saucer. Yeah, it was tough. So basically you have to cut it out and then take that out. So hopefully the one that I got is the right size. So I bought it, the Home Depot, they didn't have this one. So I have to order it from Amazon. So hopefully this is the right size. It looks like it. Okay. So let's cut it out. Okay. So how do you do it? Like this? Maybe. So make sure you don't do any damage on the thread. So just little by little. I want to see the thickness of the metal. So I don't know, it's about 1 millimeter. So okay, now it's working. Okay, I got the one part right here, and then this part has to come up. Whew, this was pretty hard. Okay. Now we're gonna use the wrench and see if that's gonna work. Wow, still. Should work now. Yeah, I think it's better to just take that out instead of unscrewing it. Just pull it out. Oh, here we go. Finally, huh? Oops. Yep, there we go. Yep. Oops. Now we gotta take out this one. Let's see. So, make sure we're gonna have the same position. So hopefully this is the same one. Okay. What is this? Okay. Cancel. This is for the hot side. So This should be the one. Okay, hot side. Okay. Faucet? Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, I got the new part right here. Let's put it in here. Okay. Then take out this. Okay. I hope we turn off the water. I heard some weird sound. Okay. 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 So now this one is out. So we take that out. Okay, so we go like this way. It has to go this way. Now let's see. Okay. The inside. I don't know if you can see, but there's this part right here. So we have to take that out, which is, I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the one, and then hold on, it's different. This part is different. No, seriously, no, come on. Looks different. Oh shoot, the part is not right. Oh no. Let's see. Let's take out this one. Put it on here. Now I'm gonna try to take out this part. It's supposed to come out easily. So why is not? Here you go. Okay. Maybe this plastic part. So I got this. Hopefully this fits. Okay, so yep. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Now it's in. And now this part, I'm gonna put some grease. So this is a primer's grease and make it a little smoother. Hopefully. much, just a little bit. So, hot side. I don't know. Let's go with this. Oh, hold on. Hopefully that fits. So. And then what? The new gasket? What is it called? I don't know what is that called. The gasket or something. So. Oh, hold on. There's one more. I'm not sure if I have this one extra. Let me see. Okay. Unfortunately, I don't have these O-rings. So the largest one, I mean, yeah, it's not gonna fit. So, oops. This is just for backup, just in case if the water comes back in, it's gonna block it right here. So I'm just gonna clean it up. So the water, the calcium is gonna expedite the process of that wearing out. So just gonna clean it out. Should I put some grease on here? What do you think? See the calcium right here. So yeah, might be a good idea to put some grease. Yeah, so you can. Yeah. Just a little bit. Yep. Yep. So it should be okay. So, yep. All right, so let's put back. And this one. So, okay. Just make it tight. You don't have to use your wrench. Just hand it tight. Should be good enough. Okay, so that's it. And then put this one back in. There you go. This might has to be gone. It's a little old. So this is gonna be it right here. It's good. Oh, where? Okay. Oh, hold on. Or this one. Yeah. This one. Oops. Yeah. Have to put this one in. Then what? Am I right? So. Look at this. Wow. Oh yeah. Yeah. I feel like we have to change the new one. It's so old. Is there any way that we can make it this one new? Look like new? Anyways, let's just put back. So off. Where? So. Uh-oh. Uh-huh. It has to be like this. So it's right here. Okay. That means right here then. Huh? Uh-oh. 거꾸로 됐네. Is that right? I hope so. Okay. Let's see. Oh, put this one there. 어? 어. 없어.
뺐어?
어? 어, 뺐어. 이렇게 어떻게 된 거지? Oops, the other way. Yep. So, okay. What? 왕파리? 파리? Oh no. Okay. That's it. Hope it doesn't leak any longer. Yep. Yes, so now we're gonna clean it up. Okay, nail it back. Let's see. Hopefully no more leaks. Come on. Okay, let's see. Looks like it's okay. Come on. I think this is no more.